The Task Force Arctic Hammer is a company-level task force with necessary capabilities to succeed on the battlefield. Its mission is to take the contact and destroy the enemy observed on Objective Steel. After taking Steel, prepare to continue the attack either to Objective Iron or Objective Copper to cut the lines of communication for the enemy and destroy the enemy. Commander's Tactical Command Post is located in Synapse Command and Control Container. The container is equipped with integrated mast, required operator workstations, and all necessary software tools. Patria's Dome software provides necessary situational information for the task force commander and feeds from several other systems like passive radar and counter UAV systems. Dome also presents the locations of each unit and their vehicles. The commander's Ilias fleet management tools are providing necessary information for the decision-making. Commander needs to know the real-time status of the task force's vehicles and other systems. Task Force Arctic Hammer is now fully operational and ready for its mission. Task Force's Tactical Command Post has now ordered Reconnaissance Detachment to gain information and survey the direction of Task Force's offensive. The Reconnaissance Detachment is equipped with a multi-purpose all-terrain track vehicle. The track vehicle is integrated with CYMA Innovations ring mount and KNDS 20mm P-20 cannon. The Reconnaissance Detachment activates its Eye in the Sky, the Patria Sky drone, to detect possible hostile movement or targets in the area. Patria Sky UAV can be equipped with different types of sensors and payloads. This time, Sky is equipped with surveillance payload. The Reconnaissance Squad reports the situation on the area to Tactical Command Post. The Task Force Tactical Command Post sends optionally unmanned vehicle to carry on surveillance on the same area. The vehicle is Patria's AMV XP 8x8 vehicle, equipped with optionally unmanned capabilities. In this configuration, we call it Heavy UGV, Heavy Unmanned Ground Vehicle. The command post can remotely operate the vehicle even in demanding conditions. The vehicle has camera system to provide situational awareness for remote operator at the Tactical Command Post. The Heavy UGV is also equipped with remotely operated target acquisition unit from Patria's partner Vegvisir. This long-range camera can detect and acquire targets several kilometers away. The Heavy UGV has valuable capabilities, so it makes sense to protect it from the threats of modern battlefield. Patria's Heavy UGV has two separate protection systems integrated on it. The Heavy UGV has active protection system against rocket-propelled grenades, RPGs, and anti-tank missiles. Protection system is called Trophy from Eurotrophy. It is integrated on the opposite corners of chassis to provide full 360-degree coverage from the anti-tank threats. The other active countermeasure Heavy UGV has is Sensa Fusion's Air Fence Counter-Drone System. After detecting the hostile FPV drone, Air Fence System counters the drone with electronical countermeasures. The drone is sent false commands, and it is forced to land and drop. The Heavy UGV has countered the drone threat automatically, and it is now remotely operated to set up an observation post and to carry on surveillance of the area. The Reconnaissance Detachment, with its tracked vehicle, has the observation data from Heavy UGV and moves now forward. While moving, the tracked vehicle detects enemy movement. Tracked vehicle opens fire with its KNDS P-20 cannon to engage the enemy target. The P-20 cannon is on CYMA Innovations ring mount. The P-20 has range of 2,000 meters, and it can deliver 750 rounds per minute. The tracked vehicle has ballistic and mine protection, excellent tactical and operational mobility, with the top speed of over 80 kilometers per hour. reconnaissance squad reports the situation and the movement of armored enemy forces to the tactical command post. The command post orders the 1st Mechanized Infantry Platoon with their AMV-XP-IFV vehicle to suppress the enemy targets. The 1st Mechanized Infantry Platoon sends its AMV-XP integrated with Kongsberg Defense's MCT-30 turret to repel the enemy targets. The AMV-XP 8x8 is designed as the main tactical vehicle of mechanized infantry units. AMV-XP is capable to carry infantry squad with ballistic and mine protection. AMV-XP can be integrated with a variety of weapon systems. The Kongsberg MCT-30 is a remotely operated weapon system with 30mm Bushmaster cannon and state-of-the-art targeting capabilities. The AMV-XP IFV has now suppressed all the detected targets and moves on to carry on its task, while taking advantage of coverage that snowy terrain provides. Task Force Commander gives order to suppress the enemy targets with indirect fire. Order is given to Mortar Detachment, Forward Observer Team, Reconnaissance Detachment, and its drone team. The heavy UGV detects several enemy targets and uses its target acquisition capability to locate the targets and provide target information for fire missions. A 3-man forward observation team advances to set up an observation post. Forward observation team's main equipment is Portable Target Acquisition Sensor, Lily from Synop. Lily is a superior tool for observation, reconnaissance, and target acquisition. Versatile connectivity and communication possibilities ensure a high situational awareness level for Lily users. Forward Observation Squad has also a sniper, equipped with Sako TRG sniper rifle to provide necessary fire support. Reconnaissance Detachment activates its ISR capability, and Patria Skydrone is sent forward to detect targets and to provide target information. The sniper detects enemy infantry and engages the targets. Patria Tremos, the 120mm mortar system, moves to its first firing position. Tremos can quickly open fire and leave the firing position immediately after fire mission is executed. The recoil system enables integration to almost any type of vehicle. Tremos is capable to be moved quickly from platform to platform, for example, if the vehicle is damaged. Tremos has high firing rate and high accuracy because of its integrated inertial navigation unit. Patria Nemo, the turreted 120mm on AMV 8x8, has started its first firing mission. A 4-round MRSI, multiple rounds simultaneous impact. Patria Nemo is compact, mobile, turreted, and remote-controlled mortar system. It has several groundbreaking capabilities like indirect fire, direct fire, MRSI, MTSI, and all of those also on the move. It provides excellent crew protection up to platform level. It has a large onboard ammunition supply, and it is also compatible with all standard 120mm smoothbore mortar ammunition. And it also has a full 360 degrees traverse. The Patria Nemo is now at the second firing position, and it will conduct the second 4-round MRSI mission. The rounds are fired using different trajectories and different charges, so that they will land at the target almost simultaneously. That all can be done with Patria's fire control system and ballistic calculation. The Nemo has also targeting capability of its own and direct fire capability. Now the Nemo commander is observing the area and it detects threatening enemy activity and uses its direct fire capability to suppress this threat. Nemo will now move to its next firing position and prepares to support the task force. Based on ISR information, the enemy troops have started in counteroffensive towards the task force's tactical command post. Task force commander gives order to 2nd and 3rd Mechanized Infantry Platoon to counter the enemy offensive. From the 3rd Mechanized Infantry Platoon, 1 Patria 6x6 APC with Kongsberg RS-4 remote weapon station moves forward and detects enemy targets. Patria 6x6 APC with Kongsberg RS-4 is equipped with .50 caliber M2 heavy machine gun. It will engage the detected targets. At the same time, the 6x6 APC from 2nd Mechanized Infantry Platoon moves forward to repel the enemy targets. This 6x6 APC is equipped with CIMA Innovation ring mount, KNDS smoke grenade launcher system, and .50 caliber heavy machine gun. The APC dismounts a mechanized infantry squad to engage the enemy infantry. The infantry squad is immediately in contact with enemy infantry. A soldier is hit. Infantry squad evacuates 1 wounded soldier. They use Metaware's evacuation litter EVA-23S. This casual evacuation system is extremely light and rapidly deployable. APC is equipped with attachment for the EVA-23S litter to enable easy and safe evacuation. The APC also uses the KNDS 76mm smoke grenade launcher system, integrated to CIMA Innovation's ring mount to provide cover from enemy observation and direct fire. After successful repel against counterattacking enemy targets, both 6x6 APCs move to safe locations. The task force commander gives prepared orders to task force to execute the final phase of offensive. Indirect fire support starts the final phase. The Tremos and Nemo units are a few hundred meters away. They are given time on the target mission to maximize the effect on targets. Tremos is firing 15 rounds, and Nemo is firing 10 rounds to the same target. The commander and the tactical command post have passive radar capability. The passive radar can provide real-time information, both enemy rounds and your own. All platoons and detachments starts to execute the final mission, and they start moving towards the enemy forces. All the vehicles are in contact and use their main weapon systems to suppress the enemy targets. All the targets are now destroyed or suppressed. The commander reports to battalion headquarters that Task Force Arctic Hammer has successfully executed the offensive's first phase and achieved objective steal. The commander has real-time information available about the status of his vehicle fleet. This information is provided by Patria's Optime and fleet management tools. The task force is fully operational to carry on its mission after ammunition refill and minor maintenance.